Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Who is that? Sally. Haha.
That's just just gonna be going. Yeah.
This is Lightning McQueen. Who is that? Tomato.
Spit him out, you overgrown varmint!
Cool, DJ. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh, this is Serge.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go! Go!
This is Mac. Wow. Who is that? Tomato.
I am me!
Look at these guys.
Records have been shattered. This is just the beginning. No truck and me. Partners even.
Hey, there he is.
We're not done.
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go! Go!
Look at these guys.
You may accept the privilege of racing for me.
No.
Abso-fantastilootly!
Let's begin your journey.
Who is that? Tomato.
Spit him out, you overgrown varmint!
This is Mac. Wow.
You're here! Thank the manufacturer you're alive!
Matt?
You're here!
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. This is Lightning McQueen. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Cool, DJ. Yeah.
Yo, DJ!
What up?
We got ourselves a nodder!
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Tried slamming him into the wall.
Who is that? Tomater!
I am speed! Whoa!
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Who is that? Sally! Haha! Sally! Haha! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Who is that? Tomater! Wow!
Request acknowledged.
A funny car!
Request acknowledged.
Tomater! Wow! This is Sheriff. Yeah.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Serpentine! Serpentine!
Sheriff. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh my god, it's Smokey! Yeah!
Lesson 1. You're old.
He said you're old
I
and
heard him.
You'll never be as fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
It's Smokey! Yeah! is that? Ramon! Wow!
Hey, anything you want. You know, like a flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
ghost
Daddy.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style.
Ramon! Wow! This is Mac! Wow! This is Mac!